Hey, Joel, thanks for jumping in. I was about to type back and realized, hey, I've got the microphone. I should just reply to you. So nice to see you. Thanks for jumping on. Technically, it's not a Christmas tree, it's a fall tree. There's sunflowers and, yeah, okay, Christmas lights, but it just looks really cool because I love Christmas trees up. Have you tried fiction dictation? Tell me more. What do you describe as fiction dictation? Are you talking uh, like taking a walk and then just reading or sharing a story out loud or something into a notating tool or having it transcribed? Is that what you're talking about? And if so, then yes, I have. I do that mostly for organizing thoughts. Yeah, mostly for organizing thoughts. How's it worked for you? Usually, like if I'm writing or if I'm taking a walk, I will read aloud what it is I'm doing. Um, Sometimes into chat, sometimes just into Google Keep, like open up a note and then just put everything in and come back and process it later. If I'm actually writing a story, um, if I'm writing a story, I need to be like totally focused on just the actual act of writing. But if I'm trying to process or parse through something, I do like to just hit the microphone and then just dump brain dump all of the ideas that I'm working on. Yeah, recording into a recording device and have it transcribed later. It's an interesting method. Honestly, it is a life-saving approach. Especially if you're like me, all right? So I have ADD. So sometimes I'll be out taking a walk. And so you're saying I really enjoyed it. I have to learn to say things much more succinctly. Tell you what, maybe give yourself permission here, right? So here's what I do when I'm taking a walk, I'll often have a ton of ideas and I'm trying to process, and I don't have someone who's at my side working through things. So I'll annotate or voice note straight into chat, and it'll be a mess because I'm half thinking and then I'll double back. And this is not the time to be succinct and organized, I don't think. It's about brain dumping. Get everything out, get it on the paper, get it all done badly, and then tell chat to go through like a ghostwriter or a secretary or something and say, organize everything that I've just given you. Just get everything out, just get it out badly, have it done, roughly, and then chat is awesome. It'll then go through and I'll say something like, organize all of this, put it in neat bullet points, give it headlines, make it coherent, and then ask me like challenging questions. What did I not include? What did I forget? Read between the lines and help me understand what it is that I'm trying to accomplish and trying to say. Or sometimes like it's an email or a letter that I'm trying to prep for somebody else, and I'm not sure how to go about it because I don't know, I'm under pressure or I'm not sure how to word it. And so I'll say, act like this person or act like you're in this kind of a role and then just give me some feedback on it. So if I'm doing like professional stuff like writing, or if I've got a story idea, I'm like, here's where I think I want the story to go. Blah, 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 and just put it, oh, and I forgot this thing and put that, oh, and I forgot this thing and put it in, and then have chat organize it for me afterwards. So that's one thing. Or just voice note it straight into Google Keep. Like if I'm dream journaling, that's usually what I do as soon as I wake up 6 in the morning. It's like, okay, so this happened, did this happen? And just voice note it all straight in. And then take a beat, come back and then reread through it, correct some of the punctuation and so on. A recommendation to you would be, yeah, do it because it can be great to really get into um, yeah, it can be really helpful just to get it out whereas if you're trying to sort of control the process and be succinct and say it right, you can actually lose the thought that you're chasing. And that's not as fun to get to the end and realize, dang it, I was trying to say something and I side quested because I was trying to be too accurate about it or something. So, yeah, that's how I use AI. It's super helpful in that way.